All right, S&P traders, we're going to learn a lot about the equity markets this week. This is the continuation chart. You can see the all-time high up here. This trend line, which everybody is looking at, goes point of contact, point of contact, point of contact, point of contact, and finally we've got a breakout above it, which it has been accepting. Let's look a little closer. We have the 50 simple moving average now above the 200 simple moving average. That's the golden cross. You can see the market's been moving higher. It's showing acceptance above this trend line. The question is, are we going to finally accept above the December high? You can see last week we rejected it. Market is in a new market state, but is it really? We've got some speakers this week. We have Chairman Powell speaking tomorrow. We also have the State of the Union address with little other economic data this week. What are we going to learn about this market this week? It's going to be fascinating. Trade well, everyone.